guys, welcome back to Stock4Less, and my name is Manu. In today's video, I want to show you how to update your software on your iPhone or iPad. Now, it is very important that your device is always with the newest software updated. It can get very slow if you don't, and you might have some programs that are not working correctly anymore. So let's make sure you always check and you always get the newest update on your device. Here is how you do it. You go to settings, you click on it. You go all the way down here where it says general, you click on general. And then it says here, the second one, it says software update. Click on that and it's searching right now for the newest update. And you can see it is iOS 12. And this is the newest update that it says a software update is available for your iPhone or iPad. If I want to install this, download and install it, you just click this button right there and it will guide you through the whole process. Now, it is very important that you guys always update your device to your newest software. It will be much faster and you will have all the newest programs on it.